Hi, I'm Alan Quay, CEO and co-founder of Review Dingo, and thanks for checking out our Reputation Dashboard. It's a Kanban style dashboard that we offer our do-it-yourself members so they can manage all their day-to-day reputation tasks. And it works really, really well. It's great for businesses that have a limited budget, that don't want or can't spend the money on a more expensive software, and it pretty much works in a similar way as a more expensive software. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it all works. First of all, I just want to say that you'll see several links in there. They're member-only links that take our members to a site where they have step-by-step instructions on how to set up their dashboard using free third-party software. So I'm going to take you through each step of the way so you can see it. And if you ever want to join and become a member, you can just click this link right here and I'll show you how to join our membership. It can really help you to build a solid, strong, powerful online reputation. So let's go with the first one here. We have campaigns. Now, campaigns are the heartbeat of your entire reputation marketing strategy, because what it does is it helps to generate online reviews and also helps to protect your brand. It protects you from getting negative reviews on major review sites like Google, Facebook, and sites like that. So one of the ways that we go ahead and one of the best methods of delivering um, our what we call our review request is through email. And email automation just makes it all that much simpler because you can automatically upload lists into a software that can go ahead and send out an initial request, but also send out follow-ups. Maybe two or three follow-ups, 2 or 3 days apart. So it's a great way to get it out to sort of set and forget, upload your clients. You can also do it individually too through just a one at a time thing by just sending it off if you want to do it that way as well. So that leads me to the next thing is our review request. And as you can see here, I've got a review request. I'll go ahead and click onto it. And you can just read about it here. But we can want to see what a live review request looks like. They're beautifully designed. All of our DIY members get one of these for free for their company. And it's branded to their company. And it really is a powerful way for your customers or patients to take action on their leaving you a review. And so if they're happy, they'll click these green buttons here, and you can promote any website that you want. The most popular are Google and Facebook. And if they're not happy, they have an option to click this red contact us directly button. Now, that's really good because what this does is it creates a funnel. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to help you generate more online reviews better than any other method we've ever tried. But also, it's going to help protect your brand by with this funnel process of them clicking this button and telling you internally what their bad experience was. So that's a really good thing. Let's move on. So delete this here. Okay. So we have monitoring is the next thing. Monitoring is so important because it's the eyes and ears of what's being said about your company out there. So we monitor your social media, and we monitor what people type online on the web about you or your company, and also major review sites like Google, Facebook, sites like that that people will leave reviews for you. And then everything that we monitor will get sent to what we call our feedback center. That's the next one right here. This feedback center is like the central command center where you can take action on what happened. So if you can see here, we have cards. Now these cards down here automatically appear when a review is left, or a social media signal or something comes in. So you can color these cards. You see, I've done here. We've got green for a positive response. We have like a 3-star. Somebody leaves a neutral rating. You can do yellow, and then course, red is like a negative 1, 2, or 3 star. So what you can do is once you or your team has handled this situation, then you can just move them over here to this responded section, and you can see over here, this is the responded list right here. And I'm going to open up one of these so you can see how you can collaborate with your team and leave messages about what happened and how you handled uh, the uh, the inquiry or whatever, whether it's positive or negative, how you handled it. Did you get back with them? Did you respond online? Did you investigate it to see what happened if it's a negative review? Did you contact the customer or patient? So this is really important to be able to have this way of following up with people that leave, reviews about your company. The next thing is the marketing. This is probably one of the most important thing because part of this whole process is your review marketing strategy. Because once you start to get that 5-star reputation, you can go ahead, you want to be able to announce it to the world. You want to get it out there because that reputation is going to bring you more people to your business. And if you see here, our members, not only do they get a review request, part of their toolkit, they also get what we call a Google review widget. So right here is a Google review widget, and you can place it on your website, and it automatically puts in the 4 and 5-star reviews that you've gotten. And it includes a badge up here that has, tells you your score, what it is, and how many people recommend you. And there's even an option to get them to go directly to Google to leave you a review. So it's a really good thing to have on your website, help increase your reviews, and also it's just a way, one of the best ways of getting your 5-star reputation out there to attract more people into your business. So reporting, this is really good because you want to see, you want to know what's happening, and you want to be able to judge, how is this working for me? How is this really helping us in, in our process of getting that powerful online reputation? And these we show you how to create these simple reports. And you can do it on Google, Facebook, any website that you want to be able to monitor to see how well you're doing with your reviews and your rating. This one I created in just a matter of minutes. It's one that's Google rating, Google totals. So this is the total amount of reviews they've gotten over a month by month period. So there's unlimited amounts of reviews charts that you can make. This is just one example, and we show you other examples that we teach you on in our courses. So our pro members, they have more advanced because they're using our Review Dingo software. There's more advanced reporting in there. But for somebody who's just using this type of dashboard, this is a great way to sort of monitor your performance. So business listings, this is another thing that you want to be able to do, is to be able to know that everything that you have out there is correct online. So we go ahead and show you a tool that you can use that will show you some of the major directory sites that are out there, how you're being listed. If there's any errors, you can go in there and correct it. But it will give you this feedback. It's called a scan tool, and it's very, very helpful in that. And then it doesn't cover all of the websites, but we do have some in our training. We have a list of the 50 most popular, high value online directory sites that you want to be on. And you don't want to be on every site because that can actually work in your disadvantage when it comes to you being ranked high in the listings for on Google when people are searching for keywords that they're trying to use your services or buy your product. So this is really good. Down below, you can list cards of the different types of sites. So that's pretty much it. It gives you an overall view of what you can do, how it works. And again, if you want to become a Review Dingo member, it's a very low monthly fee, and we invite you to come in and give it a try, see if you like it. But I think you'll be very, very happy with our service. And if you're not, then continue on, use these. Hopefully you'll get something out of these cards that in this board that will be able to help you with your own online reputation. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.